Hi again guys, in this one I'm going to show you guys how to upload files to your OneDrive from your mobile. I'm going to do one PNG, one JPEG, one PDF and possibly an MP4 as well, which is a video file. So let's get started. The first thing we have to do is to tap that plus icon in the top right hand corner of our screens. From the list that pops up, I'm going to choose the fourth option that says upload. From this, I'm going to select that first one that says scan MP4. That's a video I just created. I'm going to do that other one that says book scan PDF. I simply tap and hold onto these things. And then I'm going to do a random image as well. So that JPEG, this came from WhatsApp. A friend of mine sent this image. And that should be enough. After you've selected all the files you want to upload, you simply tap open. Do bear in mind that you can upload any file type to OneDrive. It doesn't matter what file it is. These are just the most common files I know people use. So let's wait for that to upload. As you can see in the top there, it's showing the progress for each one. So I'm going to speed this section up. Okay, now those are finished. As you can clearly see, it says, sorry, there was a problem. Now I'm going to retry to upload this. And to do that, I simply tap that circular arrow in the right hand corner of the name. So let's tap that and see what happens. It says book scan. Let's see if it finishes. If it doesn't finish, it's not the end of the world. Now, just wanted to show you guys if something does fail, you can retry it, and that's how you do it. Okay, so I have my other files uploaded. So here we have one called scan. That's a video. So I'm going to tap those three dots in the right hand corner. I'm going to rename. Let's just call this one test video. That's renaming, and it's renaming this image clean shoes or something like that. Tap OK. And there you go. That's how we upload files from our device. And again, these can be any files that you choose to have on your device. Thank you guys for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and comment. If you guys want any specific content, just let me know. I'll create the content and upload it for you guys. Peace.